Hello, Kuya James here. So, today's video, I have created weather report, sent email or whatever email is that using n8n. So, I have created the automation here and workflow. So, we have here the manual trigger nodes. So, side of it, I have not configure since will trigger the flow manually, and we have here a trigger, a schedule trigger. I have set this every 30 seconds, so we're gonna test every 3 seconds to send an update. And on this part, we have HTTP request where we're gonna use get the API, excuse me, information. So I'm using the open Mateo. It is free one. One free API with your forecast. So you can just go to API docs, set the locations, get the better updates. So if you don't know the latitude, longitude, or the time zone, you're just gonna go search. Search it. So for this example, I'm gonna use Cebu, Philippines, and just check or uncheck variables what you need, and then scroll down. You will go and it will create a link, and then you just need to copy it and then paste it here, and then if you test it, it will output the the API results. So it tests and are the results. Next, I need to convert it messages. So I'm using the JavaScript here to get or set the message. So for an example, the output will be icon and then get the current temperature in the the temperature in the Cebu, and then it will rain or not. Then let's test the output. So that 0.6 will not rain. Then after that, it is success. The output that I want is there. We need to put or choose email we're gonna use. So for example, I'm here a Gmail account. I use the Gmail send messages node here. So I've connected the Gmail account that need. So if you don't have a Gmail account for the both API, so you're just gonna go and read this documentation. This documentation helps you create whatever app you will need. Get the client ID, secret ID, and don't forget to add the out redirect URL. After that, we're gonna go and I send this to my email. I put the subject. We can the email type. We can choose text or HTML. Then I just drag this one here. Output. So right now I'm gonna use my this one. Um, send email. So I have created MTP account using Brevo. Shout out to Brevo. So I have put a dummy account or dummy email here with James at GG. And the email we're gonna receive from temp mail one I've tested earlier. Copy it and then paste it for email. Add the subject and I choose the HTML format here. And after that, created HTML script and add the message from the API. Calling it. Then if you cannot test it, will be test. And I've also added this one since I'm getting an error, so you can just add here also. I've added the ignore SSL issues. Then if we go and check it, I have received the latest. So whether update or whether alert, um, so what I want to do is gonna go and test the trigger manually. To go green, and it success or execution, and will be from get third email, the third email. Open it, third email, and what if I want to change this? I will change the location Texas. Came up, copy the then apply, then save. And right now we're gonna go test the execution flow. By the way, I deactivated this one since I don't wanna um work with uh email. Later we're gonna go and send the email. Right now it will go to schedule, trigger, HTTP request, create message, and send Brevo to temp. The trigger will be 30 seconds, and then we have here so right now we're getting an error. So normally line 7 back, try to extract, then this error also line 7. So with the help of the we found an issue since we changed the API and the results, and we're getting we need also update the code. So we have fixed this with the help of GPT to identify faster the issue. Copy, paste the new code, and currently I'm getting now the correct results. Test, and Gonna go and test again. Test. And right now, since I have set this up every 30 seconds, go and activate. Have activated. So every 30 seconds, I will get a new email from um, n8n, Brevo. So go and wait. Let's check this email updated. Now updated. It's now from go back and mail every 36 seconds. So I will give a new since I've scheduled it. This is the end of my video about this uh n8n with a report. Bye for now. If you have questions, let me know.